And we're back here at Sony with Yuto-san and Taka-san. Thank you so much for joining us. Please tell us about the ILX-LR1.
ILX-LR1 は高画質かつ小型軽量を兼ね備えた業務用カメラとなっております。
The ILX-LR1 is a professional camera that is high resolution and compact and very light, designed for industrial applications.
Awesome, great. What makes the camera so special?
3ポイントございまして、1つ目はフルサイズのセンサーを搭載した6100万画素の撮影が可能。
Okay, we have three main features. At first, the camera has 61.0 megapixel full-frame image sensor.
2つ目がボディサイズで 243g の小型軽量になってまして、E マウントを搭載したレンズ交換式となっています。
Okay, second, it is very compact and the weight is 243 grams, and it could change. It is interchangeable lens from E-mount lenses.
で最後3つ目が、外部給電になっておりまして、さらに SDK を使うことで外部コントロールが可能となっています。
Okay, so it is externally powered by the DC. It's battery free, and also it is controlled from Sony Camera Remote SDK. So you could remotely control from all bespoke software applications.
Awesome, wow, what a fun little camera to use. Yuto, Taka, thank you so much for joining us. We really appreciate it. Thank you.
Thank you very much.